Welcome. In this part I am going to teach you how to draw. Okay, let's start from line. Select line, or you can type L. Just the shortcut is L, and then you can specify first line and second line where you want, maybe in here. And also you can draw a line with a specific angle, like the length of line and with the angle. So now I'm going to draw with 10 length and then click tab and then specify the angle, maybe 45. Okay, when it's done, if you want to close, you can click in here to close, and also you can just type C and enter. Here you go. That's how we can draw the line. Okay, next one, polyline. You can select in here polyline, or you can type PL, enter, and then start the drawing line. Specify the first point from where you want to start, maybe from here. This with the pen. So now from here, as you can see, there is some option, the width, length, arc. So now type W, enter. So the start point, how much will be the width? I'm going to select 3, and the end point width, how much? Maybe 6. Yeah, see, the start point is 3 and the end point is with the 6 unit width. And also you can specify the distance, how much distance, maybe 25. So now you can draw like this, or maybe if you want to arc, just write type A and then enter. This is arc, and still there is arc. If you want to draw a line, you have to click type L and then L and then enter. Change it to line. Yeah, and now it's line. So again, I want to change the width, W3, and maybe the end point 0. Yeah, as you can see. Okay, 3 circle. There is different option. You can draw a circle. Okay, let's start from the first. Center with the radius. Specify the center point of circle, maybe here, and then the radius. You can click there, you can type a number. Okay, the second, center with diameter. Specify the center and then give it the number for diameter. See, this is the half of this, because the diameter is the same, the radius, the first circle. And the second one is 2 point, maybe If you have 2 points, draw a circle. And the next one is, if you have 3 points, you can draw with 3 points. Or the next up, 10 radius. Okay, let's draw a line. If you have a line like this, maybe one in here. Okay, now try 10 in radius. See, there is a sign, click there and then give it the radius, maybe 10. Yeah, this, like this, or maybe 10. Just click this line, and this line. Yeah, how to draw circle with 10. Okay, arc. The next one here, there is many different options to draw arc. It's easy, and you can draw star, center, in, star, center, and in. Where you give it number, or you can manually, it's up to you. Start, end, and radius. It's easy. I think you can use all of them. Okay, let's try continue. If you draw a line and then you want to change it to the arc, you can go to the arc and select this, continue, and then after the continue as a arc. Okay, rectangle and polygon. First rectangle, specify the first corner and then specify the next corner, or you can type the number. It's up to you, this direction, yeah. If you type number and then press tab and then the second number, 10. This is what we created a rectangle. Okay, the next one is polygon, and then now start the side point, the number of side. Now it's 4. If it's 4, and here there is an grab a circle, and this is as a rectangle. Let's try with another side, maybe 5, and then this inside and outside circle. I am going to draw with this. Okay, let's see the difference between drawing inside and outside. For example, I have a circle with the radius of maybe 20. So now I'm going to create a polygon with the 7 side. So I specify the first point, the center of polygon, maybe in here, and then if you click the increase it, this is the inside. Let's draw the inside. See, this is the inside of circle with the radius of 20. If you want to, it have to be the outside. Specify the center and then circle. Maybe, yeah, see, this is the outside of the circle. See, this is the inside and outside. Okay, next one, ellipse. You can draw different tips: center, axis, and ellipse arc. Okay, the first one, specify now ending point here, and then specify distance to axis, the another axis. Yeah. Or maybe give number 20, and maybe this one is 10 or 5. Yeah. Okay, axis and end. Let's try this. Specify the first point, end point, and then the specify distance for the another axis. For example, I have a line in here, and I'm going to draw ellipse between this. So this is the best way to use axis and end. Start from here and end from here, and then like this. Okay, ellipse arc. If you want to draw arc like as ellipse, specify the first point, the end point of axis, and then distance to the axis, maybe in here, and then start your angle from where your arc start from where. I'm clicking here to up to here. You can type the number or you can click anywhere. Let's try again. Okay, start, specify first point and point of that, and then the distance of the other axis, maybe 5, and then the arc starts from here. From here, in this case I want to start from here until maybe here or here. This is how we create arc with the ellipse. Okay, next one, spline fit and spline CV. If you have if you want to draw a graph for the y equals sin x, for example, I'm drawing that coordinate. As you know, how is the graph for this? It's it's like that. And now I'm going to draw with the specific, and maybe if it would be 20, and then type tap with the angle, and of course you know this angle is 45, and then here 20 by 20 40, and then click tap and the radius 315. 315 go down, and then again 40 with the angle of 45 go up, and then again down with angle of 350, like this. This is how we create a graph for y equal to sin x. Okay, the next one is construction line, and here you have some option: horizontal, vertical, like this, and then type you can type XL for construction line, vertical, angle, basic, offset. I'm going to draw horizontal first, click H, and then how much horizontal line you want, or maybe vertical, type V, and then like this. Next, with the angle, I'm going to draw a line with angle, type a number, type A, and then specify the angle. See, this is the with the angle of 45 degree. Okay, the next one is ray. One point, as you can see, the next ending you can see it's aligned with unlimited. And also you can draw with a specific angle too. You can type maybe the 20 tap 45, maybe this at 19, like that. That's with a specific angle. Okay, multiple point. You can click from here, or you can click P and then type. And also you can draw a point with a specific coordinate. For example, and here just type 25 and then click tab and 25. Yeah, this is the point with the specific coordinate from axis X, Y. This distance is 25 and this distance is also 25 unit. And also, if you want to change the figure of the point, you can also, of course, type PT and then enter. From here you can choose the different type of point. or maybe you want this figure. Is up to you. Okay, next one is divide. If you have a line and you want to divide it with the specific distance, you can divide it. For example, I have a line with the length of 100, so now I want to divide it with equal. Click divide and then click the line and then type to divide it to how many. For example, divide it to 3 parts. See, this is divided to 3 parts. Each part is equal. For example, from here to here is 33.33.33. Okay, I needed this copy. I make the copy in the top. Okay, next one is measure. You can measure the line with how much you want. Just give it a number, for example, okay, 20. See, it divided to measure it 20, 20, 20, 20 from left to right. Or maybe we try again to maybe 40. See, this is 40, 40, and this one is the rest of them, and of course that's 20. It measured it from this. Okay, rejoin. If you have a rectangle like this and one in here, and I'm going to trim. As you can see, this is the two objects. This is one and this is the another object. If you want to make it one object, you can use rejoin. Click rejoin and select all and then enter. See, this is now one object. Okay, without if you have drawing, different drawing, many drawing like that, and then if you want to hide it or maybe cover it, see, this is how we use it. It's the under and this is the top of that. Helix. For example, I have a circle like that. See, this is helix. Done it. Specify inside diameter first, maybe 10, and then specify outside diameter. How much? Maybe 40. And now click where you want. VV cloud. If you have many drawing like this and you want to make it highlight or draw a line around, you can use rectangular, polygon, or freehand. Sometimes we use this with highlighting. And the last one is hatch, gradient, and boundary. For example, I have maybe wall or maybe like that. And now if you want to hatch inside, click hatch, and then click in here. As you can see, there's hatch, and there is different kind of that, different pattern. So now you can see if you change from here the scale, of course you will see that pattern. Maybe change it to scale to 100. Yeah, this is, you can see clearly the pattern. You can change different kind, or maybe solid, like that. And there is many type of pattern. You can change from here. Okay, if you can change the color from here, and also from here you can change the layer color. It's up to you. And try always to, if you hatch the wall, specify the specific layer. Okay, the next one is gradient. It's the same as the hatch, but just the pattern is the different. So you have different pattern here. Which one you like, just select it. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.